Peace, love, and greetings in the name of His Imperial Majesty. They say, half of the story has never been told. And at the end of the rainbow, there's a pot of gold. Down by the river Nile, where I quench my soul, you see, all that glitter isn't gold. So don't let the devil school you. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Don't let the devil fool you. Oh no, no, oh no. Don't let the devil fool you. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Don't let the devil school you. Oh no, no, oh no. Church and state, y'all, deceiving my people every day. Mystery Babylon, like Goliath, one day you're gonna get slain. Look to the east, y'all, you see the rising sun. Cause the heart of the covenant is in Ethiopia. So don't let the devil school you. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Don't let the devil fool you. Oh no, no, oh no. Don't let the devil school you. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Don't let the devil fool you. Oh no, no, oh no. Now you got missionary here, missionary there, missionary everywhere. From Kenya to Ghana, Nigeria, Jamaica, people are living in fear. So don't let the devil fool you. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Don't let the devil school you. Oh no, no. Oh no, they say half of the story has never been told. And at the end of the rainbow, there's a pot of gold. Down by the river Nile, where I quench my soul, you see, this is a lesson to the young and the old. Say, don't let the devil fool you. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Don't let the devil school you.